Hello everyone and welcome back to the class. I am Arbaz Khan, your English language teacher. In previous class we have discussed about different reading and writing techniques, but in today's class I will be teaching you how to use technology, how to use modern techniques, modern technologies like computer, like your internet, like your mobile phone to boost up your skills in reading and writing. I hope all of you will find this class very interesting and very exciting. So let's start. Before moving on to the class, I want to share some objectives of today's class, that what will be the outcomes of today's class. The main objectives of today's class are to teach students about different reading and writing skills while using modern technologies, and to make students familiar with modern techniques and use of internet. For a fruitful results, our students are required to follow the following sets of instruction. They are that are read the whole text very carefully, analyze the sentence structure of the story, pay attention to every difficult vocabulary, be attentive and follow me step by step. Follow me, follow every detail I am giving you. Pay attention to the highlighted words, which are difficult vocabularies and characters in the story. Use your computer and search about the story carefully. Read the every detail in your computer and then write a short summary note on your notebooks. So that was all about instruction, about objectives. So let's move on to the class. In every computer there is a folder named MS Word. Now visit to the MS Word and open it, which contain the original text of a famous Pakistani writer short story. The name of writer is Tariq Rahman and the short story title is A Man of Principle. The short story in which every character and difficult vocabularies are highlighted. Like I have underlined and I have highlighted every vocabulary, difficult vocabulary and every character in the story for your better understanding. The very next page includes a model for today's class, which is in a diagram shape. To the left side we have sentence structure. Tariq Rahman has used a very simple sentence structure in this short story, which is subject, verb, object. In abbreviation form we have like SVO. To the lower side we have a short summary of today's story, like it is a comprehension note on that story, which has a short summary of today's story. At the upper side, vocabularies are derived from the text. The difficult vocabularies which are present in the story, which you cannot understand easily, I have derived it for you people at the upper side of the diagram. From the text and the right side, a short biography of the writer is present for you to better understand the themes, for better understand the outcomes of today's story. I have write a short biography of today writer for your easiness. So that was all about the model. I hope you all understand the model. I hope you have understand the sentence structure, understand the difficult vocabularies and about the short summary of the story. So let's move on to a guided practice. In a guided practice, I want to make groups of you people to boost up your creativity, to do some work in a team, to do some team work. Now make group of 3 members. Each group have to follow the model and to follow the instruction and do according what I have said in the instruction. You have to read the text carefully. You have to follow. Pay attention to the sentence structure and every detail I have given you. You have to follow it accordingly. So all of you, I think all of you have done with the group activity. Now let's move on to independent practice. Independent practice is for to make some creativity in you, to boost up your individuality. You are required to do to the instruction, to do according to instruction, and now by yourself you have to search in your computers about the story and write a short summary note and it you have to pay attention to sentence structure, to difficult vocabularies. You can also derive dead difficult vocabularies you cannot understand. You can search it in online in a dictionaries like Oxford, like Cambridge, and then give me a presentation about it. This is also your homework for today. I think we have done with the assessment. I think we have done with the guided practice, independent practice, and a model. Now it is time for a simple test. This test is for to check your knowledge, to check the outcomes of today class. It will be also a kind of feedback for me that how much you can learn from me. So I have written a few questions on boards. You all have pens and pages, so write the answer very carefully because it's a kind of feedback for me. It is for to check your knowledge. So that's all about today class. Thank you. See you soon.